Hey guy, it's been a spell, and me and the wife decided to buy a 2013 Beetle Turbo. And the lady we got it from said the clutch was blown. She was actually selling the car, and she let someone take it for a test drive, and yeah, blew the clutch, caused a 3-lane car pile up, I guess, apparently back up, not pile up, flatbed, cops, all the good stuff. So anyway, got the car off her, and I don't know what we're doing with it yet, but got the tranny out of the car, and this is what I found. So yeah, here is the tranny. Is that hay? We got some debris. Yeah. Just a bit of fiber. Let's get in here. See this? So that happened. So, got a clutch on order, flywheel, and a couple of little things. And get this thing back in, but that is the only problem with this car. The thing runs, drives, I don't know. I guess we'll see when we put the clutch back in. But other than that, no check engines, none of that stuff. So I think we'll be good after this clutch is in, because it sounds good. So this is the car. It's on a lift right now. Birds, you know, having their time on it. Yeah, it's a nice car. The wife was thinking about keeping it. Can't really say I can't open the door because the windows drop down and there's no battery or anything, so I'm not going through that again. But definitely a nice car. Looks like it's always been serviced at Volkswagen. Right before I got it, they had $4 grand worth of work done to this car for the girl who was potentially buying it. Or actually, she was buying it because she had a check with her. So that fell through and she blew the clutch. So I got to give you another look at this clutch. Just the pressure plate off. Looks like it got a little hot. What we got here? Got some felt for the windows, the door, for your home windows. Look in here. Never seen a clutch like this ever. The rivets are even bent. This is nuts. Again, I've never seen anything like this. And I've done a lot of clutches. Wow. So I had to come back in the shop. There's weed whacking going on. It's too loud. So there'll be more on the car when I get the clutch back in. Maybe I'll show up putting it back in. I don't know. I gotta clean the transmission today. It's just full of those fibers, so I gotta spray all that down, get that taken care of, and then the part should be in by this week's beginning of the week. So Wednesday, I think everything's gonna be here. So get it in by the end of the week and get this thing back on the road, and see if the wife wants it. Which I think if I let her drive it, she's going to want to keep it. But if we're trying to sell it, then I get nothing from this deal. So we gotta figure out what we're doing to it. So till then, to the next one, guys. See ya.